Welcome to Harris Pressure Washing LLC, your premier choice for top-quality exterior cleaning and painting services in Tallahassee, Florida, and surrounding areas. With a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, we specialize in soft washing, pressure washing, power washing, painting, driveway and deck staining, pool enclosure cleaning. Our team is dedicated to restoring the beauty and integrity of your property while exceeding your expectations. Contact us at 850-570-9898 or email us at harrisanthony940@yahoo.com to schedule your service today.